If we trust God too much, you fail us. Nothing has come when I should trust. Separate me. You have called out to follow you blindly. I won't fear your leading me, and I so realize choosing you. And I'm very sure that you have shown my ever-wandering heart where love is. But on earth is more important than to have do we think if we trust God too much, He will fail us? Nothing has come when I should suddenly I trust. Separate me. You have called out to follow you blindly. I won't fear your leading me, and I so realize choosing you. And I'm very sure that you hold Why do we think if we trust God too much, He will fail us? Nothing has come when I show suddenly I trust. Separate me. You have called out to follow you blindly. I won't fear your leading me, and I so realize choosing
Жаль.